In the small town of Summerfield, Florida, a shocking murder would tear apart a community and leave a family devastated. This is the story of a teenage love gone horribly wrong and a plan that ended in cold-blooded murder. Seth Jackson was just 15 years old. He had a big smile, loved to joke around, and was full of life. He lived in a small town with big dreams and a tight circle of friends. But like many teenagers, Seth also had a girlfriend. Her name was Amber Wright. The two were young, passionate, and sometimes dramatic. Their relationship was full of ups and downs. They broke up in early 2011. What started as young love soon turned into jealousy, arguments, and revenge. After their breakup, Amber started dating another boy, Michael Bargo. Michael was 18 and had a history of trouble. He didn't like Seth. In fact, he hated him. Seth and Michael started exchanging angry messages. On Facebook, in person, even over text. Things were getting ugly. And then, a plan was made. On April 17, 2011, Amber texted Seth. She said she wanted to talk. Maybe they could get back together, or at least clear the air. She asked him to meet her at a friend's house. Seth, thinking this might be a chance to fix things, agreed. But what he didn't know was that this was a trap. Inside the house, Michael Bargo was waiting, along with a group of friends. These were people Seth had known, people he trusted. But now, they were ready to kill him. As soon as Seth walked into the house, everything changed. He was attacked, beaten, and shot. The plan had worked. They didn't stop there. To hide the crime, they burned Seth's body in a fire pit. Then, they took the remains, placed them in paint cans, and dumped them in a river. This wasn't just a murder. It was a calculated, brutal cover-up. Seth's parents quickly realized something was wrong when he didn't come home. They reported him missing. Soon, police got a tip. Someone who knew the killers came forward and told them everything. When detectives searched the house, they found blood, they found bullets, and eventually they found what was left of Seth. One by one, the people involved were arrested. Michael Bargo, the oldest, was the mastermind. He fired the fatal shot. Amber Wright, Seth's ex-girlfriend, helped lure him to the house. All of them were teenagers. All of them were charged with murder. Over the next few years, trials began. Everyone involved was found guilty. Michael Bargo was sentenced to death. Amber Wright was convicted of first-degree murder in 2012, but in 2016, her conviction was overturned. Why? Because police didn't read her Miranda rights properly, but she didn't walk free. She went to trial again in 2017, and this time, the jury took only 2 hours to decide. Guilty. Amber Wright was sentenced to life in prison. Seth Jackson's murder shocked the country. It was a story of jealousy, betrayal, and young lives thrown away. His parents say their pain will never go away. A child full of life was taken by people he once called friends. This story reminds us, even young hearts can carry dangerous hate, and sometimes a single message can be the start of something deadly. Seth Jackson was only 15 years old. He deserved so much more. May his story never be forgotten. If you like the video, kindly leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.